You just found the 2019 Honda Civic. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. You look smart and sporty in the Civic sedan. It packs sophisticated style, impressive fuel efficiency, powerful performance, and advanced safety and connectivity technology. Best of all, it's simply a joy to drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, lane keeping assist, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, electronic stability control, traction control, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system, automatic headlights, trip computer. It feels good to be in the sweet spot. The Honda Civic sedan will take you there. Take it out for a test drive today.